Who you want to shake? You might. Yes, that's it. You know where I'm coming from. I'm tired all the way coming from this place.
Where's your PVC?
What PVC? Do I need PVC to go inside this box?
Bro, this is before you can go inside this place, it needs to come with your PVC. Without PVC, no entry for you. Now, calm down. Where's your PVC? This one now with the sharp mouth. Where's your PVC?
Why is this?
You can go inside. No wonder you're making noise. Come, Baba. Without your PVC, you can't go inside.
Oh, my girlfriend has a PVC.
Yeah, your girlfriend is your girlfriend. Not like maybe both of you are not the same. You're not using one PVC.
Which kind of bullshit this one, sir?
Nah, God,
this country, everything a problem. Which kind of thing this
Bro, are you not tired of suffering? Do you want to suffer another 8 years? Baba, you are a youth of this country and you're supposed to know the rules and regulations that every youth now needs to have a PVC. Without PVC, no entry for you.
Last, now, what am I going to do?
You go home, go sleep, or you go make a PVC before you come enter inside.
Country now, what?
Now they make noise for Facebook. We don't know we'll get PVC.
Today's party, I have to go level 2 for today. How's it, my nigga?
Sure, nigga. What's up?
I'm okay, bro.
Okay, good. You here for the party?
Yes, my brother.
Nice man, eh? Good. Where's your PVC?
I got it, bro.
Good guy. See, obedient guys.
Yes.
This is the kind of people we want in this country.
Hey, that's fine now.
This is why they walk out like Abu. It's their problem.
That's why they start shooting now.
Where's your PVC?
A guy, you're not getting it.
Think say they
You
white.
get an eye, they bounce like say, your father has.
Right, my enter now, I go give you 2K now.
I do look like somebody who is taking bribe. But if you don't have your PVC, you won't go inside.
More this country is not fuck up.
And
so
then,
we could sell out.
We do keep quiet.
right. We are trying to make everything now better in this country. If you don't have your PVC, you won't go inside.
Guy,
just go back.
Hey, my friend, hey, you know they make noise there. You don't get your PVC, you don't go inside.
You
Come dress anyhow, come here, come they open eyes for us.
People not there for your face, self. Welcome they do for fine boy. No, do fine boy there. Come on. I beg my answer now.
My guy, shoot back. What is your problem? Go back.
This one come for
somebody now who won't come here not to take phone.
Sorry, oh.
Just dress like that, bro.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
No call your mouth, fuck you up.
The way this guy now dress now, this guy now look like somebody now who will go to club.
What's up? Gentle bro.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, bro.
Bro. You look smart.
Thank you for the compliments.
Where's your PVC?
If you see me, you will not say the writer for my body saying a PVC. This country, bro, anybody will not get up. See am, I'm ashamed.
Baby getting old.
She gets her own now. She gets her own. You see, this country now, me and you go make am, you go do okay. Share you grab.
That's true.
Another 8 years. Guy, we know who we follow, so no need, we will not talk too much.
No shaking.
Yeah.
Enter.
It's okay.
It's a bit wide.
Don't talk about again, okay?